Pull up downtown, cool. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Back at it with a vlog. Today we finna go downtown because we finna go to a truck meet. I'm finna get some waters right now because, bro, yesterday I went to Slab and I was like real thirsty, but I was like, man, I'm not getting no drink. I want water. And I ain't paying no freaking $5 for some water bottle at the gas station. You got me fucked up. Pull up downtown, cool. That first meet got canceled. Well, it got rated. Kena. Please. What you got to say, bitch? Boy, you recording me wrong. I bet it's it.
This ain't no dick pic.
That small ass dick.
Damn, them 22s.
I need 28s. Ora pre, blast this bitch up.
Rubber band, young dog. I think
Hey, we about to lit up the rest of the park. Damn, it took the words out of my mouth. Bro, I need a drone, bro. The drone will make the vlog so much better. Hey, it's 4th of July part 2. Damn, that bitch. That ain't flaking, nigga.
that bitch flaking.
That bitch flaking away.
Nigga, it's a truck meet, not a car meet.
Yeah, for real. Fuck on. No stop shit either. Card.
Bro!
Little mama gonna do a burnout for the vlog. huele a pedo. Ain't gonna go. La Rudolph. Alex! Hey, it's Alex! Nigga, hit you in the fucking head. Damn. Hey, look at this one. What the? What's good with you, mama? Ay, what the fuck? Bro, that lady molesting me right now. Bailale, bailale. Damn, they're fucking right there. Look. Wrong button. Oh, shit.
Hey, don't sleep tonight. I don't know.
Man, they ain't sleeping tonight, man. They gonna call me. Nah, man, that's some bullshit, man. He parked right in front of me. I can't get out this beat. Puro fucking out mouth, man. Damn, we all ran away, bro. Hasta me dejaron todos solo. No sé pa' dónde ganaron estos cabrones. Bro, I gotta change my headlights out. Hey, I need some suggestions on headlights. I don't know which ones to get. Also, I know I gotta fix my bumper, but man, damn, insurance ain't fucking calling me back ever since it hit me. Yeah, y'all let me know which headlights.
Follow me, I swear to God, look.
Mira, todo lo que quedaron después. Llegó la chota, siempre cagándola. So we gonna end the vlog right there, porque ya se acabó la función. So don't forget to like and subscribe, support the channel. At the Nuff. Hey.
We back at it.
Yeah, we live.
We about to end it though.
We active. Hey, y'all go check out the last vlog at Slab.
That slab vlog was aight.
It was aight.
It was a Thursday. How about nigga Sunday?
Bro, and I got to vlog like halfway. I didn't vlog the whole thing, so. And the first location,
that shit
bro,
was wet.
bro, there was nobody there when I pulled up. So
we put a late in the
late, bro.
Put a late in the pitch.
All right. Oh, at the Nuff out.
Boom.